Unlocking the phrase, look your best, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, look your best. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive in and discover what it means to look your best. Look your best is a phrase that means presenting oneself in the most attractive or appealing way possible. It's not just about physical appearance. It also involves how you carry yourself, your confidence, and your attitude. When someone says, you should look your best for the interview, they mean you should dress and act in a way that presents you positively. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Professional settings, dressing well for a job interview or a business meeting. Social events, choosing an outfit for a wedding or a party. Personal confidence, feeling good about yourself, regardless of the occasion. To help you understand better, here are some examples. For the wedding, everyone wants to look their best. He always tries to look his best when meeting new clients. In different cultures, what it means to look your best can vary. It's not just about fashion but also about how different cultures perceive beauty and presentation. Understanding this can help in cross-cultural interactions. Here are some tips. Dress appropriately for the occasion. Practice good hygiene and grooming. Carry yourself with confidence. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, look your best, and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, looking your best is not just about your appearance. It's also about how you feel and present yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using this phrase like a native speaker. See you in our next video.